and welcome. This is Reverend Dr. Gilberto Rosado for Traffic Multiplex. Today's video, we're going to talk about a particular program that I suggest that you guys get involved with. I created this program for those of you who can't afford my coaching and mentoring program, where I create for you a multi-million-dollar or at least $1 million product and help you market it. That's available on classiphorium.com. You go there, look under franchises and licenses, and look for the university professor creates $1 million product and helps you market it. Offer there. That is my offer. And it's not expensive. It's only about $997 to get in to that, and it's not expensive because I know many programs that do less for you than what I'm going to do, and they're more expensive than that. And I know of one that cost $4,000 to $7,000, and it was nothing compared to what you're going to get with me in that coaching and mentoring. Product creation really is more than coaching. Coaching and mentoring is what I'm adding to it, actually. I'm creating a product for you to market, and it's designed, the product itself is designed to address a particular market, and the markets I'm talking about are mostly industrial, professional, corporate type of engagements. It's really not something that your typical internet marketing is involved with. So it's definitely a different level of internet marketing, but definitely I prepare and design it for you so that it should make you $1 million a year. So that's how I design the programs that I do. So, you get my help in marketing it. Obviously, I'm the owner of Traffic Multiplex, so you get that one. But again, some of you may not be able to afford that. I really suggest you do that with me. But if you can't do that, then I'm going to give you another poor man's way to getting Rosada to help you. And that is this program in particular. I'm not going to tell you the secret sauce to it here. I'm reserving that for you guys in the program. Now, you're going to have to spend some money. It's not going to be $1,000, but you're going to have to spend at least some money to get the software for the program. You're going to, and I'm going to tell you what it is. You're going to have at least $99 on you right now today, and if you don't have $25 on you after you pay the $99, you can hold off on that for a week or two if you need another week or two to get that going, and then another $10. Now, the $99 is just a one-time fee, okay? Actually, it's once a year. That's for the software. You're going to get a piece of software, and the software is going to help you make your money. So you need the software. You're also going to need, so every year, every 12 months, you renew the software. And the way you renew the software is simply to pay the $99 again. So it's $99 every year. It's a yearly license fee for accessing and using the software and getting all the goodies through the software. You'll also get my training through the software. It's the only way to get it for this particular program that I'm talking about. So you need the software. So you got to get the $99, have it ready. Then you have to get a Traffic Multiplex account, and that's going to run you about $25. And that's a monthly fee, $25 per month. So you have to have that. You can have it in a week's time or 2 weeks' time. You start the training program, you get going, but you really need as quickly as possible the $25 for your traffic multiplex account. You need to have it absolutely. And on top of that, you need another $10 account, which I'm going to talk about in the program. And you need that also to sign up to get the the secret part of how this program works. So that's another subscription. It's $10 a month. It's going to make you money like mad. You have to get that $10 a month program that's only available, within the scope of what we're doing here. And you'll only be able to make money with that other program by using the techniques and the resources that I provide for you and the training within this special program. So again, to run down the course, it's $99 for the software. You have to get it, and that gives you access to exclusive, unique training that you're going to get. You're going to get the training how to use the software. You're going to get the training in how to make money with the software, and obviously you have the access to my person and to the training specific advice and help specific to the programs that I'm going to be teaching you and helping you to set up through the software. So there's $99 for the software, the $25 for the traffic multiplex access, which you need in order to make it grow big and fast for you. And then the $10 to get the source material that you're going to need in order to for everything to make sense to you and to bring in the special money maker opportunities that you need to access for this program to work for you. Okay, so that's it. So it's $99 once a year. Activate your software. It's $25 plus $10 every month, so it comes out to a total of $35, and that's all the money you will need to spend in this program. Everything else is making profits. You do not need a website. You do not need anything else. You can get other stuff, but you don't need other stuff. You don't need anything more in order to make money. And when I say make money, I don't mean a little bit of change. You will be making money with this program. So that is absolutely 50. Within the first few months, you should start seeing your money start coming in. So you need to do this. If you can't afford the $1 million product that I'm making for you, an exclusive product for your business, simply yours and customized to you, then you do this one. It's like 10% less, right? No, it's not 10% less. It's 90% less, right? It's only 10% of that other one, and you'll be making great money. You'll be working, but you'll be making money, and there's something for you to really look into. I would, if you can't afford the big one, at least you get my straight advice. You get my help you work online, get your money, and start making money, start making a difference in your life. And of course, since you're having access to the traffic multiplex system, your benefits will accrue to the websites that you're doing, to the other things that you've been trying but not making money at. Everything will start working for you. This will set everything straight, especially for you if you've been trying things and it's not being successful for you. This will finish it for you. This will make everything work. If you spent money in other things and it didn't turn out well for you, it's not working for you, and you're still active in those programs, in other words, you still have access to it, you can still restart them or make some more efforts in them, this is definitely going to save you. It's going to save that investment. You're not going to lose that money you put in that one, that program, and that other thing, and in that other membership there. You're going to start making money in all of your programs. This is what you need right now and will change your internet marketing life forever. I'll wait to see you. The link is below. And another thing, I'm not promoting this anywhere. This is the only place that you'll see this promotion about that particular program. So that's it. It's a special program just for you guys that are subscribing to this channel, and you like what I'm giving you and what I'm telling you. You like more guidance from me. You like to do something, get things working for yourself. This is it. Case closed. Done deal. See you on the inside.